Electric dryer type DWSR-ELE-2406026-FM54 model LEB6300PW1 serial #XXXXX unit is not producing heat. Wiring voltage checks to be correct incoming.
Hello, my name is XXXXX you for choosing our service. Do you have an ohm meter to take some readings with? Thanks, Barry.
Yes.
Randy, give me a few minutes to get a diagram for you. Barry.
Okay.
Go around behind the dryer, disconnect the power cord, and remove the back wall. Click to enlarge locate this part and remove the wires from it. You should get continuity through this part. If you do not, it is bad. Usually this is the problem. If it reads good, then check the element there. Disconnect the wires from the element and you should get a reading through the element. If you do not, then it is bad. Usually one or the other is the cause of one not heating. If you find both of these parts to be showing continuity, please let me know. If you found my answer satisfactory, please log in if you are not already logged in, and please leave an OK or better rating. If you have any questions, use the reply to expert link. Thanks, Barry.
Located the part, removed wires, and it shows continuity. Remove that part but do not see element. Is at the device just below with 4 wires, round body with 2 rectangle ears, solid red and red W white stripe appear to be 12 Ga, then 2 smaller purple wires.
It's very close. I have arrowed it in the diagram below. Click to enlarge.
Okay, looks like number 17 is the element, and there was a 12 Ga wire going directly to the element via a ceramic terminal block and a smaller white wire W black strip going to item 15. The opposite side of element with large tab does not have a wire on it. If I check between the 2 large ears, which having taken element off dryer is the other end of heating coil, I have no continuity, but checking from the tab or ear with red wire to the tab with white and black wire, it checks good. I can check inside housing on coils themselves and at the internal terminals, and 0 continuity. The unattached large terminal at one end of coil seems odd. Please advise, appears the heating element is bad.
Those elements are used in different models with different wiring setups. If you check the 2 connections that wires were connected to on the element and there was no continuity, Randy, it is bad. It should read 279,838 is the part number, and I have put a link below for you. www.repairclinic.com/part-detail/heating element assembly/2798838/2438. Locate equals 1000064. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, thanks a million, or in reality 58.00 smile. Very helpful, Randy.
You are very welcome, Randy. Thank you for the opportunity. You and your family have a nice weekend. Barry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.